guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I am nice and cozy in my bedroom right now. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these videos in a little while. You guys seem to like the last one. And I just want to preface this really quick. I am obviously not a nutritionist. I'm not a dietitian. I'm not a personal trainer. I'm in no way qualified to tell you guys what you should be eating. And what I eat varies day to day based on my hunger levels, my activity. I eat intuitively, so I kind of just eat whatever my body's craving. I try to stick to like some staple healthy meals, but for the most part, like I just eat whatever I feel like it. And if you guys have seen some of my previous videos, I did also struggle with binge eating. So for me, non-restrictive kind of eating, allowing myself to eat what I want while still focusing on nourishing my body is what's most important. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Real quick, I want to show you guys my outfit because I have made it a point to start pulling myself together every single day. And regardless of if I'm going anywhere, and today I'm only going to Pilates, but it really makes me feel good. So I wanted to show you guys my outfit, and I put on like a cute little workout set and some jewelry. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here's my little outfit. I feel like this set is super cute. And then I have my pieces from Ana Luisa. You guys have been asking me about this jewelry a lot, actually. If you know, I have a thing for safety pins. They are very near and dear to my heart. Safety pins are actually like a Russian superstition. That's why I have the tattoo. And so when I saw that Ana Luisa had all this jewelry with safety pins on it, I was instantly obsessed. And the quality of these is honestly impeccable. I wear these every single day. I sleep in these earrings. These are the silver ones, the little safety pins. I also have the gold, and the gold ones are adorable. They have little pearls on them. They look like that. And then I also have this necklace, which I wear actually every day. Like, I do not take this off. I'm obsessed. This jewelry is so nice. The quality is amazing. Like I said, it's my staple jewelry. Like, genuinely, I wear this every single day. If you guys will see it in my Instagram posts, on my YouTube videos, like I wear these pieces every single day essentially. They're really cute. I mix and match them with any like chunky or more statement pieces that I have, and I never find that I really need to take it off. Ana Luisa is actually having a really big sale right now, so I will put it across the screen and also link it down below, but you guys should definitely check them out. They have quickly become one of my favorite staple jewelry brands, and I have been wearing their jewelry for years, and some of the gold rings and necklaces that I had from them from years ago, I still have and I still love. This gold ring, I got this from them, I'm not kidding guys, years ago, and I have had this same ring. Love it. It looks still just as brand new. I wear it all the time. If I didn't actually wear this stuff and use it and trust the quality, I would not be talking about it to you guys. So be sure to check them out down below, and let's get into my what I eat in a day. So I've already had my coffee. I just go over to my coffee station in the morning. It's like my favorite thing in my apartment. And I've been adding almond milk and 2 different coffee creamers. I like to kind of switch it up. I love to try out different coffee creamers. It's like my favorite thing to buy at the grocery store. And I mix and match them, and I found a little concoction. I like to put the silk one and the nut pods one and mix them together. And now I'm just about to go and do a little bit of work and then take my dog on a walk. I wake up pretty early. I wake up like between 5:30 and 7:30, and I don't typically get hungry until about 10. So I just kind of drink some water. I have my supplements, and then I have my coffee. I do some work, I take my dog on a walk, and then I make my breakfast whenever I feel hungry. Sometimes that's like 9:30 or 10. Sometimes that's 11:30 or 12. It's just whenever I end up feeling hungry. Sometimes it's earlier. If I have an early morning workout, I kind of just like force feed myself almost. Like I'll have like a banana with peanut butter or like a piece of toast or something, because I know like midway through my workout I will get hungry even if I'm not super hungry first thing in the morning. For breakfast lately I've been loving oatmeal. This has blueberries, bananas, almond butter, chia seeds, sprinkle of granola, and a lot of maple syrup. This is my favorite way to have oatmeal. It just tastes so good. It tastes like a blueberry pie. And I only had half a banana today, because like I used the other half for a smoothie yesterday. So normally I would put a full banana, and this bowl is so heavy because there's so much stuff in it, but I'm obsessed with this breakfast. It literally is so warm and cozy for the winter. Okay guys, so here's my lunch. I have 2 pieces of toast, 2 eggs, half an avocado, 2 pieces of smoked salmon, everything but the bagel on top of some sauteed spinach. I like to have a lunch that's a bit higher in fat just because it helps me stay really full. And this is one of my absolute favorite meals. It's like something I crave every single day and I never get sick of it. So I'm pretty starving right now. It's like 12:30. I'm ready to eat this right now. Here on my little coffee nook, I have this little jar of Hershey's Kisses. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I eat like a million of these a day. Not a million, but I do like often find myself reaching for one after lunch, one before dinner, a couple after dinner. Like I have a few a day. Nothing crazy, but I just find that there's nothing wrong with a little treat in the middle of the day. So lately, guys, I've been obsessed with the mid-afternoon pick-me-up matcha. Instead of having a second coffee, I really find that having a matcha in the afternoon is the perfect way to get through that like 2 p.m. slump, which it's 2 o'clock right now, without like feeling wired throughout the day and having that crash again at like 5, especially because I have Pilates. I have like an evening workout. I have a 4:30 p.m. workout, and it gets dark so early that by the time the class is over it's nighttime. Then I still have to come home and like do stuff, so I don't want to like really crash afterwards and feel super tired. So this matcha gives me a lot of really great energy. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. I put it in my little Ninja blender and blend all this stuff up. Here are the ingredients that I use. I use the Trader Joe's matcha, some collagen, I use cinnamon, honey for sweetness, and some almond milk, and I pour like a teeny bit of water. Hey guys, I forgot to bring my camera, so I'm on my phone. But I just got home from Pilates. I had one of these Fit Crunch or Fit Snack bars from Alani, and a whole thing of water on the way home from Pilates because it takes me like 45 minutes to an hour to get there and get back. So I was pretty hungry, but I'm about to go head upstairs and make some dinner. So I'll show you guys what I am cooking up a piece of salmon. This is on medium-high heat, and I seasoned it with lemon pepper, and then I'm gonna make a little Greek salad for the side. Okay, so here's my dinner. It is a huge salad. It's a Greek style salad with like feta and banana peppers because pepperoncinis are too spicy for me, and some olives, feta cheese, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives. I already said olives. What else? Bell peppers and spinach. And then my salmon is a bit overcooked, but I like it crispy, so whatever. All right, guys, I am finishing off the night with pants, my strawberry oat milk ice cream from Trader Joe's, and I am watching Entourage right now. And I am ending the night with some tea, a few more Hershey Kisses, and my book. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. Be sure to check out Ana Luisa. I will link them down below. They are having an amazing deal right now. You guys do not want to miss this sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.